Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here. It's time for another 5-minute how-to video. And today I'm addressing 2 uses for the offset function in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. My first use is designing. I use my offset function when I design cards, when I design everything, just about everything I design, I use my offset function. Let me give you an example. I already have up a card blank 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. I have it selected. I did that by left clicking. I'm going to come up, left click the offset. And now instead of offsetting, I'm going to inset. So I'm going to bring it over. And I usually like to inset 0.25. I like a square corner, so I make sure that's marked, and I hit apply. I have my first layering piece now for my 4 1/4 by 5.5 card. Now let's take a look at the layer that I'm actually going to work with in design here in Cricut Design Space. So I want to inset it from my layering piece. So my layering piece is already selected. I come up again to offset. This time I'm not going to inset quite so much. If you watch this blue line, you can see it with less border, more border. So I'm going to come to about, let's do 0.139. Again, square corner and apply. I'm going to take that one, come up to this square, which is where we choose our color, and I'm going to choose white. Now, here's our card blank, 1 layering piece, and here's the piece I'm going to be working with to design. All right, let's say now that I want to design with an intricate image. This is my second use for an offset. I've decided that I would love to have this on my card, but I don't want to just do a print and cut. I want to cut this because I want to put it on top of some other things on my card. Wow, that's going to be a difficult cut. Let's make this a little bigger. That's pretty intricate. So how am I going to do that? Well, again, we can make this into a die cut by selecting it, coming up to the offset, left click. This time I'm going to move it to the right. And you can see the blue line getting bigger around or smaller around. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to choose 0.083, click apply. Now, I think I would like that a different color. Let's make it a light brown. I'm going to left click brown, go to advanced, and come up and choose just a light tan color here for it. Now, I'm going to come back, and with my mouse, I'm going to go over both pieces. Then I will be coming to flatten. Left click flatten. And now it is one piece. This will cut as one piece. And I can bring it over to my card. And I know that this is going to cut nicely because it's not going to be cutting such teeny tiny little images there. It's just going to be cutting right around this part. So those are 2 ways that I use the offset function, again, in designing and in adding a background to an intricate image. And if you're looking for this particular image, it is from Cricut Design Space where it says images, and this is the designer of this image. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Any comments or questions, please leave them in the box below and I will get back to you. Feel free to check out some of my other videos and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.